No.
They're gotta be coming to Pillhouse too.
Oh yeah.
Yep, they're already there. Pull the trigger on.
I almost did too.
Say that again. Nothing, buddy. Sorry.
No, you're good. It missed.
Reggie, you have 4 minutes to take Chernobyl. Ricochet.
Reset.
What the?
I can't pull either.
Yep, yep.
We got people.
Shannon just went through, so. And then there was one more red. I think it got cleared out.
Time to reset. Chernobyl's empty.
How far?
I think that's Shannon.
Shannon!
Oh, that is you?
Yeah.
Got name?
Nah. Hasn't been working, so.
Reggie, you have 4 minutes to take Chernobyl.
You got my left? Got my left? Clear.
Ah.
That's right.
Is this yours?
Oh shit. Kai, you want me to take it?
No, just stay, just stay.
3 minutes left. You take back Chernobyl, Blue. Red, you got 3 minutes to hold Chernobyl. At least one upstairs.
One upstairs?
I think that's what he said.
Good. Well, look, we have this.
Neither team has control of Chernobyl. Blue team, you need to get in there.
He was going back.
Blue team, you have 2 minutes to take
I'm
Chernobyl.
sorry. That was a little high. I'm sorry.
Blue team has 2 minutes to take Chernobyl.
They're definitely gonna be onto this. I just got like 6 of them, maybe 5. You got that angle?
Yep. What did that count?
Red.
Blue team has control of Chernobyl.
I think it's time to move.
For sure.
After you. Ooh, nice trade.